On December 1, 2024, a 911 caller reported seeing 41-year-old Daniel H. Escalera wielding a chainsaw entering River Glen of St. Charles, a senior living facility. St. Charles Police Department officers were dispatched. The first officer to arrive made contact with Escalera inside the facility at the doorway to the cafeteria. He was near multiple residents. The officer displayed his taser and gave multiple verbal commands for Escalera to drop the chainsaw. Escalera entered the cafeteria and started the chainsaw. The officer deployed his taser, striking Escalera in the chest. Escalera was briefly knocked down before getting back up, grabbing the chainsaw, and then running toward the officer. The officer retreated into the lobby and was joined by a second St. Charles police officer. Both officers quickly returned to the cafeteria and a third officer followed Escalera through a secondary doorway of the cafeteria and eventually back into the lobby, where Escalera held the chainsaw over his head and charged toward the officer. The officer fired 2 shots which both missed Escalera. Escalera physically collided with the officer, striking him with the chainsaw and dropping the chainsaw. The officer fired a third shot as Escalera fled toward a hallway, hitting him in the left forearm. Once reaching the hallway, Escalera stopped to the immediate right of an elderly resident in a wheelchair, turned toward the officers, and held his hands forward in a position which appeared to imitate holding a firearm. The officer fired a 4th shot striking Escalera in the chest. Escalera immediately collapsed to the floor and officers handcuffed him before immediately providing medical treatment to the gunshot wound. Paramedics soon arrived and took over life-sustaining measures. Escalera was transported to Delnor Hospital where he was pronounced deceased. The Kane County Coroner's Office diagnosed Escalera as having methamphetamine intoxication and multiple gunshot wounds. The cause of death was ascribed to multiple gunshot wounds. Toxicology reports showed the presence of amphetamines, methamphetamines, and olanzapine. Based upon a review of the investigation and all evidence obtained, the St. Charles police officer had the reasonable belief that the deadly force he employed was necessary to prevent death or great bodily harm to himself or other individuals.
Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Hey, drop. Hey. Hey! Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. Drop the chainsaw. 1 at taser point.
Oh my God.
Hey, drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! I got 1 at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Subject in the front lobby.
You want me to leave? Yes.
Step it up.
I leave you here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up.
Where's my?
Drop it.
I just want my wife, man. I just want.
Listen, man.
I don't want to. Hey!
Taser the blood. Taser. Hey. Hey. Hey, right here. He's right here. He's right here.
Come on.
Get him out.
Come here. He's trying to get inside. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Oh, you gotta do it! Oh!
Shots fired!
Attention all Irish units. River Glen of St. Charles.
Drop it! Get him over. Get him over.
North Avenue of St. Charles. Attention all
Get him over.
Special attention St. Charles units. Shotgun dispatching of shots fired at 975 Northwest Avenue, River Glen of St. Charles. Responding as acknowledged with ETA.
Here we go. Come on. Watch out. Move your... Hey, get out of here. Come on, buddy. Come here. Gotcha. Roll medics. Hey, right here! He's right here! He's right here!
Okay, great.
Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, I got him jumped. Oh, hands up. What's that?
Shots fired!
Shots fired.
Attention all outreach units. River Glen of St. Charles, 905 block of Northwest Avenue, 905 North Avenue, St. Charles. Attention all outreach units. Special attention St. Charles units. Tricom dispatching a shots fired at 905 Northwest Avenue, River Glen of St. Charles. Responding as acknowledged with ETA. 2137 en route. 3 minutes.
Come on. Watch out, move your...
Okay. All right. Shit. All right.
Hey, get out here. Come on, buddy. Come here.